Hey everyone, it's Seth here once again with PitchGround, and in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase your codes and fully activate your lifetime deal. Okay, so as you can see, we're on the sales page, so pick out the one you want and click buy now, and you'll notice that went into the cart, so I'll click up here, and then you'll want to fill out your details. Let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, and I filled out my details, but anyway, if you wanted, you can increase the amount right here, real easy, but in this case I'm just going to get one, so I'll scroll down here and click proceed to checkout. Alright, so it's going through the payment process, and this will just take a minute, and then what you can do is just click view invoices, and you see that came through right there. And then the easiest thing to do is just click purchased codes, and you'll notice there it is right there. So all you got to do is click that, and then it gives you the instructions. But I'm just going to copy this code right here because I know we're going to need it, so copy that, and now let's see what the instructions say. Okay, so they're really detailed and they walk you through exactly what you got to do. So that's the steps I'm going to go through right now. So I'll just close this down and I'm going to come here to a new tab, open this up, and then I'm going to go to thefourthblock.com/login. Okay, and in this case we need to make a brand new account, but if you already had one, you could log in right here. So I'm going to make a new account, so I'll click this and I'll enter my details and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've entered my details and now you can click sign up. Alright, and we're in. And you'll notice over here on the side it says redeem coupons. So you click that, and then you got to go back over to PitchGround tab, and you'll just copy your coupon code, and if you buy more, they'll be here as well. So copy your code, and then come back to fourth block, and enter that in right here, paste, and then click redeem. Okay, as you can see, we purchased a level 1 deal, so we've activated this lifetime deal. And it's real easy to stack on more codes. You just simply go and purchase another one. You'll get the email, and then you'll eventually end up on this page again, and you'll just copy the other codes, come back, and paste more in, and redeem them. So anyway, it was a simple video. I just wanted to show you how to fully activate your lifetime deal and add more codes if you wanted. And in the following videos, I'm going to show you how to use the fourth block. Alright, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.